The humble slow cooker, a champion of convenience and comfort food, continues to be a kitchen staple. But with so many options vying for your countertop space, choosing the right one can be tricky. Fear not, fellow food enthusiasts. I've delved into the world of slow cooking, testing and researching the top 5 contenders for 2024. Number 1. All-clad 7-quart slow cooker with aluminum insert. Experience. This beauty boasts a sleek design, impressive capacity, and intuitive controls. The aluminum insert distributes heat evenly for consistent results, and the browning sear function eliminates the need for a separate pan. While pricier than its peers, the quality and versatility shine through. Ideal for those seeking a premium slow cooker with exceptional performance and browning capabilities. Number 2. Calphalon Digital Sauté Slow Cooker. Experience. This mid-range marvel offers a seamless transition from sautéing to slow cooking. The digital controls are user-friendly, and the ceramic insert promotes healthy non-stick cooking. While the capacity is smaller than some, it's perfect for smaller households or side dishes. Ideal for home cooks who appreciate digital convenience and the flexibility of sautéing within the slow cooker. Number 3. Instant Pot Electric Precision Dutch Oven. Experience. This multi-cooker powerhouse goes beyond slow cooking, offering pressure cooking, steaming, and more. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and dishwasher safe, and the intuitive interface makes navigating various functions a breeze. However, the size and versatility come at a premium price. Ideal for tech-savvy cooks who crave multifunctionality and precision cooking. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker. Experience. This high-end stunner combines elegance with functionality. The ceramic insert boasts even heat distribution, and the built-in probe ensures perfect results. The programmable settings are extensive, and the overall design exudes luxury. But be prepared for a hefty price tag. Ideal for culinary enthusiasts who value top-of-the-line performance, luxurious design, and a plethora of cooking options. Number 5. Greenpan Premier Stainless Steel Slow Cooker. Experience. This eco-friendly choice features a ceramic insert free of harmful chemicals and promotes healthy cooking. The sleek design and intuitive controls make it user-friendly, and the 6-quart capacity accommodates most recipes. While lacking some bells and whistles of its competitors, it offers solid performance and good value for money. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who prioritize non-toxic materials and appreciate straightforward slow cooking functionality.